Hello everybody, my name is Jean, commercial photographer and educator, and if you missed my last video, I went ahead and unboxed the FJ800 II from Westcott. It's the strobe of my choice that I'll be using from here on out. This video is going to be basically the same, but for the FJ800, we're going to see if there's any differences with the packaging really. And then because it's basically the same, just the more powerful model, I am going to also be unboxing a little swag bag that they sent me just for fun. I already got the t-shirt on, which is pretty cool, but I am an affiliate with Westcott, so take that for what it is. But even if they didn't partner with me, I would have still switched and made the recommendation for Westcott because it's honestly so much more affordable than what I was using before, and I'm excited to use it for the creative features. Their community is amazing and all that stuff, but I'll stop blabbering. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the box for the FJ800. This is their most powerful strobe. The recycling time's insane. We're gonna have videos using them and talking about them in the future. But yeah, I just got a more powerful strobe because I use gobo projectors and I need a little more juice sometimes if I'm doing outdoors off-camera flash stuff and I need that power. It's cool to have. So I have a mixture of 400s and 800s. I have two 800s and four 400s for my studio. That's what I chose to work with. And yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this. A little bit different packaging. The box is a little bigger. There's two tabs here instead of just one, but very similar features here. Same kind of idea with the plastic in the bag. Already the carry case is looking a lot bigger. Cool. Yeah, same features. So a really nice pocket up in the front here, this logo. And then the back has a luggage strap, which is really nice. That's super cool. Bottom has rubber feet and yeah. I'm really impressed with the quality of these bags. They're honestly so nice. I was not expecting them to be quite so nice. These zippers are really smooth. Same here as it was on the 400. Cool. This, if you saw the 400, you already know what's in here, but we have gels that are magnetic for the reflector dish here. They come in CTO, I looked it up, CTO, half CTO, and plus green, and then a diffusion, and then an empty frame, which I'm assuming is designed for you to cut out your own and glue it on there, so you can have your own gels on there, which is super cool. And yeah, and then it comes with a USB-C cable and some paperwork as well. The USB-C cable is to update your firmware, which is super easy. So there we go. Let's see what's in the accessories part first. Charger, of course. And what's neat is you can run the strobes off of the battery, or you can run them off of DC power and charge at the same time. Here's your shoulder strap for the bag, because these anchors, these really nice metal anchors on the side here you can attach them to. But yeah, there's the charge bits. There's your rapid box switch ring here, so you can quickly attach and detach your rapid boxes. So that comes with every strobe standard, I believe. And then of course the battery. Same battery that comes with the 400 II, it all attaches. You can get a bigger battery if you want double the capacity. I opted not to get that because I haven't really needed that much capacity, but we'll see with this guy if I ever end up using 800 watts regularly if I need more battery power. Let's pull the strobe out. It's looking pretty cool. Whew. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger than the 400, that is for sure. It's incredible that one extra stop of power requires such a different design, such a bigger build. This thing is hefty. I really like this grab handle on the back. That's nice. It feels really high quality. The light mount is aluminum cast. You can feel it's metal, it's solid. Yeah, so the battery hops on the back here. We'll see how it goes. All right, and let's turn it on. Power button down here. Press and hold. I can check the battery juice there. 3/4 power. There we go. The modeling lamp didn't come on this time. That's kind of nice. I don't know how to turn it on, but let's see. Oh, that actually made the flash go off. That's cool. How do I turn on the modeling lamp on this thing? Ugh. Oh, something else that's different of the design of the FJ800 is it has these group indicators, so I can change the grouping on all the strobes, but this has a light built in so I can see at a glance what group these strobes are in. And then there's your little battery port right there. And then I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's a PC sync port or not. I was reading up on it and I don't think they have a PC sync port, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is one. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, amazing. Same light stand, umbrella holder, great touch screen here. And then of course I can pull this back to release the Bowens mount. This head is the same size, but the flash tube is different for sure because this is again an 800 watt rated flash tube, still user replaceable, which I love. And the extruded dome again provides really great teaching opportunities and some more ways to light ambient fill and things like that, which I mentioned in the last one. So yeah, very similar package, pretty much all the same other than being bigger and being twice the power, one stop brighter. Looks like I've got freeze modes here and all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of playing with the menus to get accustomed to them and everything, but I'm really liking it. It feels super solid. There we go, there's the modeling lamp. So the modeling lamp is up to 30 watts continuous light, which is really nice. And then it's also by color, so I can change it from 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin, which is fantastic. And then anywhere in between with just a touch of a button here. So I really like that. I'll probably keep it around 5500 default most of the time. I love it. This is super cool. So yeah, same thing. You can magnetize those gels to the front of this. I also got another grid. So I have 2 of the grids that can go on these. If I need more, I can get more, but I might end up getting different reflectors in the future anyway that take different grid types. But yeah, it's amazing. I'm really excited to see what this thing can do, especially outdoors, especially with some gobo projectors, stuff like that. I really wish that the FJ400 also had the light indicator, but I mean, it's not a big deal. I probably wouldn't use it all the time. Honestly, during a shoot, I know where my lights are anyway, but it is pretty cool that it has it. So yeah, that's it. That's the FJ800. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna show you the little swag bag that they sent me. So let's see what's in here. Some of these things I bought, and most of them though, they just sent for free, just for a partnership, just for complete clarification. I did not pay for most of this. So the t-shirt they sent me, which is really, really cool of them. There's some other things in here, but let's go ahead and have a look. Hey, that's what that is. Cool, so this is just a beanie with the Westcott logo. That's pretty sweet. Feels really nice. These are what you call brawly balls. Basically what they do is they stick on the end of an umbrella. Let me go grab one real quick. Yeah, I saw these on their website when I was making my order and I thought they were so cool. But what these little balls are for is you just stick them onto the end of an umbrella or something like that and it keeps you from, you know, poking your eye out basically. So it's just a little protective thing. It's really nice, kind of a foam dealio there. But yeah, that's what that is. So I've got quite a few of those so I can use them on my sets to keep myself and my participants safe. What else do we have? Oh, cool. Microfiber cloth. Says FJ800 with a little QR code. That's kind of fun. What's this? Looks like a SD card folio or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Sweet. I can throw my SD cards in here. That's cool. I almost always exclusively keep my SD cards in my camera. So we'll see how much I use this, but that is pretty sweet. Maybe I'll use it as a giveaway for one of my workshops for any of you who come to them. What else do we have? A-clamps, Westcott branded A-clamps. 2 of those. That's cute. Stickers. Oh, decals. 3 of them. That's cool. I'll have to figure out what to stick those on. I have a cabinet that I've got all of my photography stickers on, so I'll probably put one of those there. The other ones I'm not quite sure. I'll have to think of a fun place to stick those. What else do we have? Looks like we have some carabiners. Westcott branded, that's cool. I can use these to hang gaff tape, cables, whatever, stuff like that. That's really sweet. What else is there? Oh, cool. These are pins for the ice light. Unboxing for ice light coming soon. I'm really excited about those. Here's just a Westcott pin. And it looks like I've got 2 of those. So yeah, awesome. There we go. That's the little spread from Westcott. Thank you so much, you guys, for sending all this stuff out. Really stoked to be working with you. If you have any questions about Westcott gear, let me know. I am an affiliate for them. So if you go to lumauniversity.com/gear, sign up for my email list, I can get you a discount. But you can also just check out all my gear there if you're into gear. I think gear's important, but it's not everything. If you've followed my channel for a while, you know that I am a huge advocate for the technique of lighting. That's what I'm all about, just high precision lighting work. And these tools are really, really powerful. So I'm excited to share them with you. But yeah, I'm always happy to help. Drop me a comment below. And that's about it. Hope you have a great day. I will see you soon.